All right, so your March 14th winners of the First Alert Umbrella giveaway are April Mulford from Carbondale and Vicky Hurlbert from Emporia. If you want to be a part of the giveaway, sign up to win a free First Alert Umbrella by scanning the QR code on the screen or visiting wibw.com/umbrellas. And without further ado, we'll take a look at the forecast as well. Here's a look currently from our Midland exterior skycam in Manhattan. Blue skies, not seeing a lot of cloud cover right now, but I am expecting that cloud cover to build in as we go throughout the evening and into the overnight hours. Midland exterior skycam in downtown Topeka. Roads are now cleared compared to earlier today when they were closed off for the festivities that we had downtown earlier. And it's looking nice. The sun is starting to set, and it is going to start to get a little bit colder as we go into the overnight hours, but not too bad. As you can see from our Prairie Bank Casino and Resort live storm tracker, we are in the 60s and 70s, so we have reached around where our high was expected to be today. And so it has been pretty mild and warm and nice today. We do have that high wind warning until tomorrow evening at around 11 p.m., which means you'll need to make sure to secure those outdoor furniture, maybe that trash can. Also, just make sure to be safe as far as that goes when you are traveling tomorrow, because the wind may even get between 40 and 60 miles per hour, and that may cause some problems as we travel on roads. So just be cognizant of the winds that are going to be occurring tomorrow, because they are going to be high. Current wind gusts have picked up a little bit from earlier in the day. They are between 15 and 35 miles per hour from the south right now. They will turn from the northwest as we go into the morning hours tomorrow morning with that cold front that moves through. Tonight's forecast 40s and 50s. Really, there's going to be a large spread with the low for tonight, because it's all dependent on the timing where the front comes through. If it comes through before around 7 or 8 a.m., that will go towards the next day. But if it comes after, I got that backwards. If it comes after 7 or 8, it will go towards the next day. But if it comes before, it will count as the low for today. And so that's why there's so much of a spread, because you really could see that low as that cold front comes through for tonight's low. But you also could see the low be hit as we go into tomorrow. It's all dependent on what time the low gets reached. So we are going to be cool tonight, 40s and 50s with mostly cloudy skies. That's something you need to watch out for. And as we take a look at our 24-hour temperature values, dropping from the 70s all the way to the 30s by tomorrow evening around this time. That's quite a drop in a 24-hour period. Tomorrow's forecast, 40s and 50s and 60s will reach that high early in the morning, just after 7 or 8 o'clock. And so that's something we're watching out for. We'll see that rain also early in the morning. We'll see it transition into snow as we go throughout our day. Supercast wind gusts, I am expecting those winds to pick up as we go throughout the morning. Really gusting between around 45 to 60 plus miles per hour. That's almost hurricane force winds. Hurricane force is around 71. But it's non-severe winds that we are seeing. So it's going to be gusty tomorrow. You'll want to hold on to your hats. You'll want to hold on to your accessories. You'll want to hold on to everything if you're going outside, because it's going to be windy, windy, windy as we go throughout tomorrow. And so that will continue even into Monday morning before winds begin to calm down as we go into Monday afternoon. We are expecting those showers and maybe a thunderstorm mixed in here and there tomorrow morning, but by the afternoon hours we start to see that snow move in. There could be some dry slots also within that snow mass, but we are expecting between around trace and 1 inch of snow for most of the area, just depending on where you are. And then we will clear out going into Monday. Supercast showing that we will see those temps start to dip around the morning hours that I mentioned, 7 to 8. That's why there's uncertainty with our low and our high, because they both will be reached around the same time, just between an hour or two period. But we will see those temperatures start to fall rapidly as we go throughout the afternoon and evening hours. And by Monday morning, we see wind chill values into the negatives, below zero. So it's going to be chilly and blustery on Monday morning. Dangerous cold. You'll want to make sure to watch out for it. Overall, low impacts from snow trace to 1 inch possible. Wind gust between 45 to 60 miles per hour. And an impact meter, I've at medium right now for possible traffic impacts due to blowing snow and slick roads that will be present. So we need to watch out for those slick roads as well. Monday's forecast, I am expecting 30s throughout the area with those sunny skies. And as we take a look at your 8-day forecast, we will be windy tomorrow with some snow. Cold and windy Monday. St. Patty's Day is looking a little bit unlucky with that mostly cloudy sky and those temps in the 50s. But we get a little bit luckier as we go throughout the rest of the week. We'll be warm on Wednesday in the 70s, warming into Friday. That's when spring starts at 9:46 a.m. and we'll be in the 80s for that, and then we may get into the 70s by next weekend. I'll have more in your full forecast coming up later when we are actually